funds themselves, mfuko na nini haziendani yani, so unapata lack of funds pia it's a main reason watu na watu kama hawa hawajuangi mambo ya installments by the way. Unapata mtu ana idea like anaweza nunua shamba alipe pole pole, so yes.
Ile kitu ingine ambayo pia I'm thinking of is lack of information, because probably someone wants to do a buy and build, lakini anaona because anaona there's something else cheaper, haelewi like the difference between when you're buying for prospecting and when you're buying for like you already buy and build, because kuna areas ambazo like a price ya plot will highly determines the location of that property.
Sure.
Plot, ukisikia plot imefika depending on the area, ikianzia 1 kupanda hivyo, you should have in mind that is highly likely a buy and build, like you can buy it and because watu tayari washaanza kusettle in that area. But if it goes below that, it will take a number of years before you start building, because watu bado watu hawako wengi in that area, hawajafika, and that also inakuleta issue ya security, because nunua mahali wende ujenge ukae wiki yako, utakutwa na watu.
Actually maana unasikianga sana most of the people when they are buying land they yes watu wameanza kujenga.
The first question,
watu wameanza kujenga because they need somewhere like kume watu wamejenga like neighborhood, iko at least there is neighborhood because si unaenda mahali you are the first one who is building in that piece of land.
And that is why here at Azima Properties we will guide you from the time you get into our office. We will guide you through the process of land purchase, and we will guide you through the installment. Kwa hapo maybe unadhania I don't have the full amount, but
there is also a point. There is also the cost in inakujanga na hiyo kungoja unasema the cost inasema I buy next time, but next time kuna hiyo cost inakujanga. Most of the times unapatanga with the moment unangoja hiyo pesa, nimesema una full amount, yes, unangoja hiyo pesa like kuwe accumulate ndio uweze kununua shamba, unapata the prices ina shoot kwa the juma shamba, the prices of the land is always appreciating. So don't kama una the full amount enda kuja hapa Azima Properties. We have a very flexible payments plan. Ngoja hadi the next 1 year ndio pesa ingoje, utapata the price ina shoot, maybe itakuwa challenge. So the best time to invest is actually now. Unakuja the minimum inafanya the 100,000. Tunakupea shamba na lipa pole to 24 months.
Yes. Watu waelewangi that shamba is not like sukari ati inaanguka kesho inapanda leo. Land appreciates daily, day in day time. So welcome to Azima Properties, whereby we will guide you through your land ownership journey, and you can call us on the numbers below and we'll be there to help you and guide you. Till next time.